Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving through Savlamar and we're going to be actually driving out of Savlamar. So we are now on Louis Street. Now, as you know, Savlamar is the capital of Westmoreland and it's also the major town in Westmoreland. And it's the busiest town in Westmoreland. So it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, 5:30 to be precise. And so this is what the traffic looks like during rush hour or the afternoon traffic. So we're now going on to Beckford Street. On the left is the Sinclair's bargain center, and that store is iconic to Savlamar. That's the Hurry Hurry store, and this is where the Sinclair's store started. They have two in Westmoreland. This is the one they call Uptown, and there's another one downtown. Okay, coming up on the left now where you see the Juicy Beef sign, that is Beckford Plaza, and that's the #1 plaza in Savlamar. Now we're going to go right onto Barracks Road, but if we go straight, that takes us up to Manning School, and Manning's is the #1 school in Savlamar and one of the top schools in the western part of Jamaica. A very prominent and prestigious school. It's the #1 school in Westmoreland. Okay, on the left we're coming up to a bus park. That's where you go to get the taxi or the bus. Now if we turn right here, we go back into Savlamar, but we're going to go straight and head out of Savlamar. So on the right is the National Works Agency office and also the Traffic Authority office. On the left is the Savlamar Hospital. So those homes that you're seeing is for the doctors and the nurses or the staff. And the actual hospital is on that same compound. And that's the largest hospital in Westmoreland. Alright, if we were to go straight, we go to areas like Amity and then Petersfield, but we're turning right here and going into Paradise, and then that will take us out to Ferris, and then we head out of Westmoreland by that way. Out of Savlamar, sorry. It also leads out to Westmoreland. So this is now the Paradise area. And there's a jerk chicken facility or restaurant over there. Okay, we're entering Paradise now. Alright, so we're driving out of Paradise now and into the Ferris area. So I hope you like the tour as we drive out of Savlamar. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.